starts with a couple of different ways. First of all, you have the shortage of the chips, which was a huge concern, and all copiers need chips. And you have an incredible shortage of chips. Some manufacturers much worse than others, with fires to plants and so on. And then you have, of course, when the equipment is sent overseas, then you have the problems at the port. Yeah, so it's the imports and really everything coming from overseas, either coming from China, coming from Japan, coming from Taiwan, coming from Vietnam. And so a lot of manufacturers over the years have changed where at one point everybody was getting their product manufactured in China, realizing problems that would be inherent with that and started moving. So it's from all of these areas now, Taiwan being one where most of the chips are produced, and of course it's overwhelming. What they ended up deciding to do was, let's focus on all A3, take chips from A4, the small machines, and focus on getting all A3. So from the time of the beginning of COVID, Sharp has been one of the only companies that had inventory. So for standard office systems, that means we have inventory, and we're able to supply our customers on time with inventory. They ended up getting the chips that they needed. So they have all the machines and they have all the boxes. They're throughout the country sitting in warehouses, and what's happening now is chips are being sent across the country, they're being put together, and now they're being disseminated to all the dealers across the country. So after having a meeting today, we actually have 90% of all Canon product is available to us right now. And so by the end of March, there'll be a big catch up, and we expect by going into June, Canon will be 100% caught up, while other manufacturers will still be 6, 9, 12 months behind getting any inventory. What manufacturers are doing and our competition is doing is selling used equipment when they don't have new. But what's happening is you're paying a premium for this used equipment because the pricing keeps going up. Everybody in the marketplace are getting increases in their pricing. Some are passing along, some can't pass it along because they don't have inventory. So what you really need to do now is think ahead. Plan ahead and be proactive. Look at your leases now. If your leases are coming up in the next 6 months or 12 months, now is the time to contact someone like an SOS who can come in and take care of your issues now before they come into real problems where you don't have any options, where now you have all the options where you can save the money, have new technology, not be stuck with your current equipment, not be stuck with the current equipment without toner, and not having to buy used equipment just to get by.